I'm Maurizio, and today we will change the level and temperature probe of Bianca. Disconnect the white level probe cable. Note: the red cable is never connected to the machine. Disconnect the temperature probe, is the second port. Okay. Remove these two red cable, one and two. Okay. Using the 19th wrench, unscrew the two nuts and remove the level, temperature and probe. For this probe I need the 17 key. It's very hard. Okay. In production we use this blue glue, but when you will install the new probe you will have the Teflon. Okay. Use a cloth to remove any impurities from the threads. The temperature probe has Teflon on the threads. Apply a clockwise pressure on the Teflon to make it stick. Insert the new probe and using the 17 key, screw the nut. Okay, look, I have maximum 1 millimeter on this. Okay, insert the new level probe. Okay. With the 19 key. Okay, reconnect the white wire in the water level probe and the red wire for the temperature probe. Insert the red wire in the clips and close it. Okay. And now I have to reconnect it in the electronic card. Okay. Before to rebuild the machine, use a 12 wrench key to screw the level probe nut of 1/2 of turn. Okay. And a half of turn. For more information, follow the kit instruction. Thank you for watching.